In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a countdown timer in Google Sheets. Whether you're organizing an event, managing a project deadline, or just trying to keep track of time-sensitive tasks, having a countdown timer in your spreadsheet can be incredibly helpful. Let's dive right into the process, and you'll have your timer set up in no time. First, let's make our way to Google Sheets. If you haven't already, open your preferred web browser, navigate to Google Sheets, and either open an existing spreadsheet or create a new one where you'd like to add your countdown timer. It's always a good idea to give your file a name so it's easier to find later. Now that you have your document ready, let's move on to inserting the countdown timer. You'll want to decide where on your sheet you'd like the countdown timer to appear. Click on the specific cell where you want to start setting up your timer. In this cell, you're going to type a formula that calculates the time remaining to your target date and time. A common formula involves using the now function combined with specific date and time formatting. For example, you can use a formula like equal text 12/31, 2026, 23:59:59. Now, właścicielce d a psir hm. This example will count down to the last second of December 31st, 2026. Make sure you replace the date and time in the formula with your desired target. Once you've carefully typed out the formula in your chosen cell, you'll need to click back onto it to highlight the formula. This is important because highlighting ensures that the formula is recognized properly by Google Sheets and allows you to make any necessary adjustments to the date or format. Now that the formula is highlighted and you've confirmed everything looks correct, simply press the Enter key. This action will complete the formula, and if everything is set up correctly, you should now see a countdown timer displayed in the cell you selected. Watch as the seconds tick down towards your specified target date and time. If you notice any discrepancies or issues, double-check the formula for any typos or formatting errors. Lastly, feel free to customize your countdown timer further by adjusting fonts, colors, or cell formatting to make it visually appealing or better suited to your spreadsheet's overall design. You can even add conditional formatting to highlight the timer as it approaches 0, capturing your attention automatically. That wraps up our guide on how to add a countdown timer in Google Sheets. Hopefully, this tool will help streamline your tasks and keep you on track with your time-sensitive projects. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.